Hello Leo, welcome to Clegent Tarot. We are doing a quick mid-month check-in today. This will be a short reading. We'll be looking at two energies, your overall energy at this moment, and what is the advice from spirit or universe for you. We'll be closing off the reading with a couple of oracle cards. And let's get started. Let's see what's your energy at this time. So we have been getting a lot of mixed energies in the readings I've done so far. Some major changes for water signs. Let's see how things are for you. Okay, you are in your own energy with the Knight of Wands. Fiery, do what you want. The heart wants what it wants kind of energy. Let's see what else we have. Okay, Judgment and the Page of Pentacles. So I think you're finally moving towards it's almost like that eureka moment where you wanted to do something for a very very long time, and suddenly there is a light bulb moment where you, with the Judgment, you get to realize what you want to do or what you have to do to get there. It can be some message or some communication coming in also. This is something which is for you a combination of what you love to do and what also will bring you money long term, right? But this is a very initial stage of it. It's just getting started. I think you will be successful and reach a place of happiness with this, but don't get impatient with that Knight of Wands energy. This is just getting started and it's going to take time to come to fruition, so you'll have to keep putting in the work or efforts. Let's see what's there as advice from spirit and universe. Okay, we have 4 cards. 2 of Swords, the Star, the Ace of Wands, okay, and the 7 of Pentacles. All right. So you might be feeling stuck, but if you see in this 2 of Swords, she's feeling lost or not able to find her way because her eyes are covered, but the cloth is so loosely tied and her hands are free that she can actually untie it and start seeing and find her way around. So I think you might have thought for a long time that whatever this passion or project of yours is that you wanted to take off on, that you were probably feeling stuck as to how to go about it. What spirit is saying, you have the right seed planted with the Ace of Wands. All you have to do is keep wishing for what you want and it will grow into this 7 of Pentacles harvest. Again, we have that energy of things being in the early stage or still midway. You will start seeing traction in whatever you do, but you will not reap the fruits say immediately. This might take some time. It might be a couple of months before you get to a stage where things are a little more grounded and firm. And for long term or the final, you can say the place where you reach in terms of your financial output that you are seeking, it might take much more longer duration. So with that 7 of Pentacles, you are putting in the effort and you know where to go, but just don't get frustrated when you don't see that 9 or 10 when you expected it to. It might be delayed by some time. So let's check what Oracle of the Fairies have as message for you regarding this situation. Okay, we have Solitude. Just give me a second here. Think of being alone as meaning you are all one and in total harmony with everything. The greatest treasures are those that wait silently during the quiet times. So I think during this time of Two of Swords, where you did not know what to do, you have to go within and seek that awakening or that solution that will take you forward from, from Ace of Wands to the Star to the Seven of Pentacles for what you want to do. Let's also pull one card from the Moonology deck and see what the moon has to say for you. Okay, we have two cards for you, Leo. We have, you are very close to achieving your goal. So I think this is connected to the Seven of Pentacles, right? When you feel that results are not coming as expected, what universe is telling you is you're close to getting there. Don't give up at this point of time. The other one is meditate and contemplate, new moon in Pisces. So probably things will start moving more for you around new moon in Pisces, which I think, if I'm not wrong, is about 6 to 8 months away from now. So yeah, that's the kind of timeline we are looking at on what you start or what you pick at this point of time. But great energy to pick up something new. That's something that you have been wanting to do, and which will also solve your financial issues. So that's all I have for you today, Leo. I hope this helped. Do let me know in the comments below whether this resonated for you or not, and do like, subscribe, so that I get to know that you're liking the content and I can bring you more. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you next time. Bye.